Hi guys, how are you? Good afternoon, good evening, good morning. That's guarantees on what time you'll be seeing this vlog. Today is on Tuesday, and let us maintain my wave as I tell you where I have been for the past 2 years. I know I haven't been vlogging, no video, but don't worry, I will let you know in the video. First of all, hi guys, how you doing? Hope you've been good, hope you've been okay. Thank you for everyone who remained. The reason that I came back, it's because of the subscribers that I think nearly took nikiwa 300 subscribers. Then me in the middle of those 2 years, I've been finding my subscribers, people still subscribe. Currently I'm at 395, I guess. Yeah, so that's the main reason that made me come back. So first of all, I've been okay. Let's start from where I've been just around the 2 years that I've been away. A lot has happened. First of all, I came and quitted my job. I don't know if I say that in any of my videos, but I came and quitted my job, and I went back to school. Lapo katikati kiasi nikakuwa radio presenter. If you follow me on my G on my TikTok, you know that. Okay, I'll put the handles down below. Then I came nikakuwa radio presenter, but now I'm back in the field of education. Currently, I work as a shadow helper for a kid who is apraxia. Yeah, so yeah, that's what I'm doing currently. I got a job last year. That's the best decision that I've ever made, going back to education, because of the kid that I'm currently shadowing. It made me realize that I think there's a gap for shadow helpers or therapists. So I'm currently doing an online course for SPL, speech and language pathology. Another thing is I moved out from my mom's place. My mom's place is kind of far from where I stay, so currently I stay in Nyali, but not in the posh Nyali, okay? So I live in a place called Umoja. Moving out has always been in my book. I told myself, if I ever get money, I will move out from my mom's place. So I live alone. Haven't gotten married. I don't think I'll do that any day soon. So yeah, so currently trying to, it's been 3 months since I moved out from my mom's place, so it's a new place. It's still a new place, so I haven't been able to buy a lot of stuff. That's why you still find this side open, in a space. I just have a mirror on this side. I just have a mirror, my fan that I don't use a lot, and that yoga mat. I've never ever walked out since they have begun. But this side where I put my bed, up on my kiasi, but that's, I'll show you the house tour when my house is ready. I'm not ready yet now. The last 2 years made me change almost everything. I changed churches. Currently I'm going to sit in Mombasa. I was going to prefer that was my mom's church, so I wanted to grow a little bit, so I had to change churches, or at least I was looking for a place to belong. Okay, so yeah, so let's continue. So the 2 years have been more of me finding myself, me being self-aware, what I want, how, just me planning my life in short, because I didn't just want to live. Currently I just turned 27 this year, so just wanted I just I used to work and think that I'll just be working. The first time I got a job, I didn't even have a reason. The first year, I didn't even save. I just knew that my job is just for the money. So you see, sina tulitafuta kazi tusumbua zazi. So I quitted just to find myself and know what I was working for. I just didn't want to be employed for the sake of just enjoying the money and everything. Yeah. So I'm done with my hair, and I think this video is also done. There's the end. So I've let you know where nimekuwa, what I've been up to. Yeah, so don't forget to share, subscribe. And this is a formal video to let you know that I am back, so be prepared for more vlog, trying some makeup looks or makeup, and just going to new places. Yeah, that's all. So thank you for watching. Bye, love you, and take care.